found this on Pinterest. It is so freaking cute. I want to recreate this. Instead of a penguin though, I'm thinking a snowman. Find the shirt. I just washed my face, okay? I'm gonna go do my brows. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what the first eye is looking like so far. It's so hard to draw such a small snowman because I have hooded lids, so I feel like I don't have a lot of space, but I feel like this side is going to turn out better. It always does. I'm just putting some concealer on my lid. So first up, I'm going in with this black on like a small, dense kind of brush, and then I'm just going to tap the shadow to make my outline really. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go back in with it. And this is the shape that I'm wanting it to be in. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap it more, like to make it more vibrant. I went and picked it up again. And I'm just going to kind of blend it back and forth. And keep tapping it until you like the color. Okay, and then I went in with the same brush, and I'm going to tap into the blue shade right beside the black. And I'm just going to put it, like, kind of on the black, but also above it like this. And, like, stamping it all along. I'll show you again. So I took another little bit. Sorry, I'm, like, so blind I have to go in really close. And stamping it like that. We're going to blend it. And, yeah. Kind of just going back and forth in circular motions to blend those two colors together. You may want to go back in with the black to kind of re-enhance it and maybe blend the blue in a little bit more. You're kind of just going to go back and forth with the color. And then I just take a clean fluffy brush and I go in circular motions and like windshield wiper motions back and forth to blend them even more seamlessly together. Then you're going to cut your crease. So then I went and just took my concealer after I cut the crease and put it there. And then I'm going to go in with this like beigey shade and tap it all over the lid like that. I'm going to use my Pride liner from Glisten Cosmetics to outline this in white. Okay, so now it's time to do the hard part, draw the snowman. Okay, so I'm just going to do it here. Hope you guys can see it. And then the medium side. I have to be very silent. I'm sorry. Okay. Don't worry, we're gonna go back over it because once it dries, it's kind of like a bluey tint because of the blue eyeshadow. So we'll go over it a couple times. While it dries, we'll just draw the drips. Bit of a thicker top, so like this, kind of like a triangle, and then a little tiny drip for the line. I hope that makes sense. And then I'm just taking the orange from the Glisten Cosmetics Pride Liner and just gonna draw the nose. Try my best to. It's really hard. I cannot see. I just did a little tiny carrot nose. I'm just taking the black to draw the arms. Sorry. Very lightly. And then the buttons and the two eyes. I'm gonna put some shimmer on my eye. I'm just gonna go in with this one here. Kind of tapping it all over the lid. Okay, let me go do my base. I'll be right back. Just went back in and redid this part. I got these like cute little snowflakes from the Dollarama. So I'm gonna put these on. I think it'll be really cute. I'm just gonna use lash glue. One right here. I'm kind of just putting them everywhere. Maybe one right here. I might do one more. Okay, maybe like right here. Do you think this looks stupid? I don't know. I also have rhinestones. I'm just gonna put them kind of like all over, like kind of sporadically, I think. Do you think this is too much? I don't know. I think it looks really cute. Okay, here's the final look. I like it a lot. I love the snowflakes. It's super cute. Let me know what you guys think.